but then as I walk, it like scoots forward and migrates to the front of my leg, and that's not what I want.
I mean, it's kind of like Merlin's jeans where you get like the outline of the phone.
Whoa! What the dude? The phone doesn't like migrate over to the front of my leg as I'm walking, and that both looks and feels bad.
Where is it going? In jeans pants it's migrating? I've never had this problem.
When I insert the phone into the pocket, I try to basically align it onto like the side of my leg, like the outer edge.
Like a smear. There's like a clear place where the phone. It has to do with basically has to do with the shape of your body.
And you can see like, oh, those are my iPhone 5 pants, because you can see how big the outline is.
Right. Well, so it's the shape of your leg and then the position and size of the pocket.
Oh, please. Oh, please, come on. Andy doesn't have a real license plate. That one, buddy.
Part out.
You're going the wrong way, Sean.
Huh? Oh, I'm going the wrong way?
What the fuck?
I need his plate number.
I'm calling him. Oh, is he going the wrong way?
Yes, he's going the wrong way.
Oh, shit! I thought we were!
Call 911 right now.
Let's follow his ass.
It's paper plate.
AU.
Hey, where are we?
White Rock Road.
Hurry up, call him.
I'm calling.
They need to answer quicker. Yeah, he almost hit us.
AU4.
We have a driver on the wrong side of the road. Sean, what road are we on?
White Rock Road.
We're on White Rock Road.
Might be intoxicated.
Off Sunrise.
Going towards what road? What's the cross street up there?
Look, he's gonna hit that car.
Sean, what's the cross street?
Prospect Park.
Park Drive. Blue Escape.
Escape.
4 Blue Escape.
White
They're driving on the wrong side of the road. They've been doing it for about a mile now.
Almost hit us.
Right now, it's like one person inside the vehicle. We're pulling up on Zinfandel Road. Looks like a male. We're on Zinfandel Drive right now.
Keep following him. White male, long beard.
White male, long beard.
Hat.
He's pointing to
The shell.
Okay.
yes, we
Okay.
just pulled into the shell. He's at the shell. My name is Alex Hoops.
Hey, that guy in the blue Escape, he was driving on the wrong side of the road for about a mile.
There he is.
Huh? Oh, he's definitely fucked up.
I'm going to be catching up on school this weekend because I didn't do any school today or yesterday, really, except for Spanish and math.
Yeah! Woo! This cop is about to get his ass. Get him.
Make sure you don't see what if you did it you.
Oh, heck yeah. Here he goes. Here he goes. Coming, taking a right. Oh, wait. Oh, there's another sheriff right there. Come on. Get him. Get him.
Over for touching your phone.
I don't know how much you'll be able to see, but... Oh, there we go. There we go. All right.
At least it wasn't you.
Exactly.
Do you want to be on Dashcam Time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video description. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information about your incident, and then submit. It's really that easy.